So today, you are going to share with your elbow partner, you two, and we're partners. You're going to share what your question was, and you're going to see if your friend could answer it for you. Remember, sometimes we ask a question that we don't see the answer to, and that's okay, but it gives us a purpose for our reading, why we're reading the book, to try and answer a question. So Hazel's going to read her question to Madeline, and Madeline's going to see if she can tell the answer to Hazel if she found it out. And then they're going to switch, and Madeline gets to try hers. Everybody got it? Okay, turn and talk with your partner.
Girls, do it loud so I can hear.
Why did the mouse make them down? Why couldn't like the bird? Because they have beaks and they can still probably get to. Can you read it one more time? Why did Why did
it's
the
okay
mouse
to look back and find evidence in your book to answer that question.
Why did the mouse make the gown? Why couldn't it be a bird? Because they have wings, and the mouse has arms. Yeah, but they could do it with the beak too. Thinking about it.
And even if you haven't finished, switch with your partner so the other person can ask their question.
It's kind of like the wedding. All the animals gather around what? Gathered around what? Yeah. It's a log. A really big log, because you can look in the picture. And there's a log, and they're gathering around it.
All right, Nisha, we're going to stop right there for a second. What I heard is that some of you went back to your question and were looking for evidence in the story of where you might be able to find that answer. That's what good readers do when they are reading a story. Here's what we're going to do next. Pull out your sticky note from wherever you work. I'm going to collect those. You can just stick them right in front of you. And I want you to turn to our second story. It's our nonfiction story that we're connecting to the book that we read yesterday. This story starts on page 13. What is a hummingbird? Today's story is nonfiction. It says it at the top. The genre is nonfiction. What does that mean? What does it mean that it is nonfiction? Eli, what do you remember about nonfiction books?
Real pictures, and it tells you real facts about them.
Nice job. We're going to be reading real facts about hummingbirds, and it will probably have real illustrations too. Go ahead and turn the page, because I just want you to do a quick little picture walk to see what we're going to be looking at today. We've also talked that in nonfiction, it's usually written differently. We don't have to read it the same way. Today, they're using a chart to help us teach us some different information about hummingbirds. They're going to tell me different things about hummingbirds and the facts about them in the chart. What should you do if you finish reading about the hummingbirds?
Read it again.
Read it again. Why would we read it again, Daniel? To build your fluency. Excellent job. Go ahead and start reading about hummingbirds on your own, and then we're going to
They can walk, but they can't walk. They have strong bodies and long legs. Their bills are long, slim, and slightly curved. Hummingbirds eat nectar. They do not eat seeds like others.
Great reading. Did you already read this part about the hummingbirds also? Go back and read that part. But you're right, you can read it in any order with nonfiction. They should keep going.
Hummingbirds wings beat very, very fast. Hummingbirds beat very fast.